Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Up crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today, we're going to be learning how to draw a Happy New Year's cat. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Well, let's get down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step in making our New Year's cat, we're going to begin by making one big triangle-like shape at the top of the page. This triangle-like shape will be the hat of our cat. Fantastic. Now to the left and right side of the hat that we just made, we're going to begin to make the ears of our cat. That looks great. Now at the bottom of each line that we just made, we're going to make 3 whiskers on each side. Now let's go ahead and connect those whiskers that we just made with one big U-like shape. Fantastic! Next up, we're going to begin to make the arms and legs of our cat. Let's connect those bottom legs that we just made with one curved line. On the right side of our cat's body, we're going to begin to make one big tail. Now for New Year's, we're going to begin to make one big banner going from left to right across the body of our cat. On this banner, we're going to write Happy New Year. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now let's go into the face of our cat and let's begin to add some detail. First up, we're going to begin to make the eyes of our cat. We're going to start off by making 2 C-like shapes that are curved lines. Slightly below, we're going to begin to make a small nose and mouth for our cat. Inside of each ear, let's go ahead and make one triangle-like shape. Now to finish this drawing, we're going to add spots all over the body of our cat. Happy New Year, and thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.